Bring your own beer.
You ready? Let's go!
Bring your own beer.
Like I gotta get it right now, moving like a killer in the darkness out of sight now. On another level, so the devil wanna fight now. Going up dirt, bro, but it's looking bright now. Bitches on the pipe now, with the dick right now. But I can't fade, taking shots with the sight down.
You brought that from outside.
Yes.
I'ma do it my way, driven by the way that I be living. Everything I got, I'm giving. Why you think they can't do it like me?
Oscar. Oscar.
You like it? Welcome to my favorite lounge. There are drinks, 10 a.m. Don't worry, we're not drinking. Maybe we will. Usually when I'm here alone, I'll be off in one of those corners there, overlooking the terminal. But gonna grab some breakfast in very quiet sleep areas. Of course, they have the full beds and toilets and showers way on the other side. Take you to the food area. Great food, awesome, and it's not crowded ever, like you can see. I guess sometimes it's crowded, once in a while. And then this area has newspapers and cool stuff. I love the library lamps. Makes me feel like I'm in a library. And they have curved televisions. You see that it's curved? Fewer than normal, grumpy, old white businessmen. It's still written from a dude's perspective because it still cares about whether you're going to have sex. The heart is about like, yeah, go ahead. It's not about realism. Okay, right. Why is Hollywood? So let's just get clear. Why is what's wrong with the Hollywood version? Jerry Maguire. Let me explain the whole movie to you. Jerry Maguire. So let me make it really simple. You can even make this a headline, subheadline. Hollywood says, "You complete me." Okay, but remember Jerry Maguire. Why don't you just like watch that scene again in the elevator?
I wonder what he said.
My favorite aunt is hearing impaired. He just said, "You complete me."
Then you fast forward through the whole fucking movie. You get to the very end of the movie, and he got divorced with her, and all this bad romance shit happened. Okay. Then at the end of the movie, he realizes when Cuba Gooding Jr. Gets the big touchdown, and he's finally going to get a big contract. Then he runs back to the girl, and she's there with all these other bitch women, right? And they're all like hating him because they hate men. And he says to her, "You complete me." Like he was saying all this other stuff, and then he's like ends with "You complete me." And then she said, "You had me at hello." That's the scene. So look, there's a million of them though. That's just one that I picked out. The point of it is, many people in the world think the reason why that movie did so well, and the reason why, you complete me, you had me at hello. These are all like, there were like a dozen touch phrases out of that fucking movie. Right? Like, show me the money! Like, all of that came out of that fucking movie. That was like a landmark movie in the history of movies. And a lot of people think you complete me is the truth. They're looking for somebody to complete them. Neediness is, by definition, looking for something outside of yourself to complete you. Neediness is, by definition, looking for something outside of yourself to complete you. Neediness is, by definition, looking outside of yourself to complete you. Therefore, Hollywood is actually promoting neediness. So the first half of it is, you complete me. Wrong. Wrong. You complete me is wrong. So then what's the right way to do it? You complete yourself. Like, the theme of loving yourself is pushed by Oprah, Ellen, fucking everybody. But little boy dudes, they don't know it, they don't get it. They're just still looking to get laid in Cancun on spring break. They're selling the fucking short. But if they've been watching TV, they've heard it somewhere. It's something in their unconscious because they've already been seeded by Tony Robbins and other people like this. So they'll go, oh, right now all we gotta do is back it up. Right? So we do two things. We destroy you completely. Okay, and that gets their attention. You tell them everything Hollywood's been telling you is wrong. And Disney, everything Disney says is wrong about scaling the tower to kill the dragon to win over the sleeping beauty. That's all wrong. Right? Because the knight thinks he's going to finally find happiness when he gets the sleeping beauty. Okay, so that's wrong. That's like looking for something outside of yourself to complete you. That's just needy. And if you're needy, you will never find love, you'll never find certainty, you'll never find joy, you'll never find significance, you'll never find meaning or fulfillment in life. If you're needy, then you aren't meeting your own needs. You're not having your own needs met, right? You're not meeting your needs for those things, because we all need those things. Once you've completed yourself, once you're complete in yourself, once you're a whole individual, once you're a complete human being who meets all of his needs within himself, right? Then you will not only be able to succeed in relationships with whomever you are attracted to, because if you have all your needs met, you'll be attracted to the right type of people. So like you can say all the benefits and they will actually be true, right? So once you are complete in yourself, you'll find fulfillment, happiness, joy, all these things, and your relationships will succeed.
Like no ID, always in the lab, yes sir, that's me. Label that I'm reppin', that's VMG. From the wound to the tomb, we be keeping it G. What you know about me? Everybody know that I be reppin' that 301. Fuck around and get sunned. West Deer Park, that's where I'm from. I'ma get